Okay, so people have asked me to show what solid black keycaps look like, and so that's what I'm doing. I'm going to log in to here, CBM Stuff. Okay, I'm logged in. See a flash letting you know that it did log in. And I'll go to 192.168.4.1, and except I can't type today apparently. 168.4.1. There we go. Okay, so let's go to here. We're under wave right now. We can set it to fire. Let's set it to, let's go to the outrun pattern actually. There's the outrun pattern. And then we're going to turn up the brightness. There we go. And we're going to turn up the speed of the animation, so you can see that it's in real time. And set to solid, and I will pick up my color picker, and you can see that literally it's like it's in real time. This is how fast the access to the keyboard works. So pretty quick. And then so I'm gonna pick. Let's say go back to what? Blue's good. Okay, I'll go back to blue. And let's go look at the key actions. Let's go set it to flicker. Actually, we're going to turn off this. And we're going to turn up our brightness on our key action. Okay. And then we're going to change the color of the key action. I'm going to make it, I want this blue. I'll make it like there. That's good. Okay, so now it's like, it's cool. Let's go and change this to hold. I'll turn the, I wasn't using the brightness. There we go. There, that's much brighter. There we go. I had the fade duration I was setting to be a little bit different. Okay, so let's go look at the actual fade now. There we go. So it's easy to see, even though there's only a 1 millimeter gap around each one of these solid black keyboard keycaps. It's easy enough to see them all. So let's see, what else we got here? Let's go to the animation. Oh, let's actually go set this off, and then we're going to go set the key blanker to matrix rain, and we're going to set the time to be 3 seconds. Done. Except we didn't set it for 3. What did we set it to? Oh, 360. That's a bit much. Let's do that. Okay, I'll set it to 3. Done. And we need to change the brightness back up, because we turned it all the way down by accident. I was mucking with it. Come on, my phone. Oh yeah, there it goes. So if I tap this, to 3 seconds it came back on. So that's how the blanker works. Then I can set it for random. Well, that's a bit much on the speed, huh? Oh, not redder. Oh, solid pattern. And fire. So you get an idea. That's exactly how the blanker works as well. So you literally can set everything for your phone. It's kind of small on my iPhone, but you can zoom in. I made it so that you can zoom your pages in and stuff. So that's it.